what is flair bartending? Flair bartending is the manipulation of bartending tools to excite your customers or entertain your customers in exciting and dazzling ways. Or just breathing some fire, or fire shows, or whatever it is. Throwing a line behind your back and catching it in a glass. It's entertaining your customers whilst making their drink. The book actually breaks down all the moves individually and then corresponds with the DVD, which takes the moves from the book and actually choreographs them into working flair routines.
The Flair Hard program is a course that we teach students right here in Miami Beach. But the book and DVD are great just by themselves.
You can follow the Flair Hard program on Facebook and Instagram. You can also purchase any of our merchandise, including the book and DVD, on barproducts.com.